Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 330d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Now just hiding behind those we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. Now we do have the LED headlights, the black Kinder Grills, full M Sport styling kits to get the black front splitter, side skid extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. We have the Team Hecko wing deflectors all over the car, shark fin antenna. We also have the privacy glass on the rear with the black window trim. Front and rear parking sensors with visual display. You also get the dual exit exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Opening up the boot, which is the handle underneath there, you can see we do have a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the full Dakota leather seats throughout with the ISO fixed points, pull down armrest just in the centre with 2 nice sized cup holders. On the doors you get your electric windows with the integrated Harman Kardon premium sound system. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's Dakota leather front seat. Very, very comfortable seat indeed. You have the extended 5-spot on driver and passenger seat. On the doors you get your electric windows, your electric power folding mirrors and also your integrated Harman Kardon premium sound system. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start from a touch of a button. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. Cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side there as well. Now as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 61,580 miles. Now on the right hand side you do have your auto wipers, and on the left hand side you do also have your auto high beam assist just there as well. Going to the centre screen you can see we have satellite navigation, media connectivity, so you do have DAB, FM, AM, music collection, aux, CD, DVD. You also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity, navigation, pop car into reverse, front and rear parking sensors as you can see just there. Now I do get different drive modes, so you do get your Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now coming down here you do have your dual zone climate control. It works exactly how you would expect it to with ice cold aircon. Storage tray just down here, pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. Traction control on and off, drive mode select on your parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen. You also have the touchpad just on there as well where you can zoom in and out and also use other features there as well. Soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended 5-sport, full Dakota leather seat. Very, very comfortable seats indeed. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now all over the dashboard we do have the brushed metal and also the gloss black trim. Very, very nice addition to have. Is also in the centre. Very, very nice interior on this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330d M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fight with steering wheel to keep it a straight line, to go straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limit on it. To activate it, push the button right at the bottom on the left and use it down to find your selected speed. Push up very slightly, it'll just buy a 1. Then push up until you feel a bit of a click and it'll just stay at 5 miles an hour. Now I do have paddle shift if we stay the car into manual mode, which we're going to do now. So currently into 4th, drop it down to 3rd, back up to 4th, into 5th, into 6th, and then again let the car take back over. I simply just let it go. Now you can also push the gear stick to the left hand side, or either go to M or S. S meaning the sports gear changing mode, so it sharpens up those gear changes and goes through the rev range a lot longer, and manually you can also use the paddle shift and you also use the gear stick to go through those gears. Now I do have very comfortable full Dakota leather seats throughout. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You have your integrated Harman Kardon speakers, your power folding mirrors, your auto high beam assist just down there on the end of the stalk. Screen just in the centre where you can see the satellite navigation. We have Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity just there as well. With your DAB radio, you also have your visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now I do have the gloss black trim that goes all around this vehicle, combined with the brushed metal trim. Very nice additions to have and do and combined do look very, very nice on the inside. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for anyone to knocks or bangs. And if you're listening out during this test drive video, if there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, coming up to the industrial state, where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show the brakes working exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen, the front of rear parking sensors visual display. So pulling in just now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard on the anchors, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Front and rear parking sensors just there on the screen. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what I'm video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this what I'm video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.